Well, we have just learned that the gun used in last week's deadly Circle K hostage situation malfunctioned multiple times, which may have saved lives. Documents state 53-year-old suspect Joel McLean Carson walked into the gas station near 19th Avenue and Grant and shot a victim in the back of the head. And Carson tried to shoot several other people and employees, but the gun jammed. He held 8 people inside hostage until they were able to wrestle the gun away from him. Carson now behind bars, facing multiple charges, including first-degree murder.